Hi folks, and the Drookit Day up here in Troon. We're up here on a special mission. Firstly, if you come closer, that's 2 bags of rubbish I got in the Sturton Road, which is in East Ayrshire before anybody says. And I just uplifted it, I put it in my pickup, and I'll scrutinise it later on. But there's a superhero in there. He was in there, that superhero. I'm going to keep him. He's not the only superhero, because I'm the superhero for rubbish. Oh, there it is there, right. Look at that. Anyway, while I'm up here to highlight something and applaud something. And I'm going to applaud this. I'll scrutinise that later. That's East Ayrshire rubbish. It will be returned to East Ayrshire in the appropriate place, right? Anyway, here's my cup. I just get told about these and I think they're brilliant, so I'm like, I made me a new toy. Right, look at this.
Thank you for using me.
Is that no brilliant? Now, that's muscle power for the kids early on in life to get into use. Muscle memory, sorry. My behind the scene man's got like that. Because I get muscle power wrong there. Muscle memory. I'll admit it when I'm wrong. But I'll give South Ayrshire 10 out of 10 for these. I think they're a brilliant idea. It's like your seatbelt in the car. You get used to it every time you get in the car. You go muscle memory means you put that seatbelt on. See the kids start using these and they come up here and they go like that and they put the rubbish in there. And then you shut it.
Thank you for using me.
The kids will love that, but what it will do with the kids, it will make them use them with muscle memory. No muscle power, muscle memory. So there you go. When I'm wrong, I admit it. But well done, South Ayrshire. You're doing well. You've done the fly tip the other day there. You're doing these. I think they're brilliant actually. I'm away with new toys. See the camera goes off. I'm going to be here all night. Because that's what I'm howling for. I'll get soaked. I'll no care. There we go again. Third time lucky.
Thank you for using me.
Was that no brilliant? See you all later, folks. And